Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video, and today I will show you how to send a quotation email to your client. Let's have a look together. So the first thing we need to do is to find the quotation for which we want to send the email. So for that you need to go to Administration and Quotes. Then you need to find your quotation from the list. Let's say I want to send a quotation for this one. Then you're going to click on this button and open the quote. And then by clicking on this button over here, you're able to send the email. Over here, as you can see, is what you are actually sending to your client is the email. So you are the sender, which you already have to actually connect your email to the OpusFlow. This is the receiver email, which is based on the contact information you filled in while you were creating this specific project. And over here, you can select the template. So I've selected quotation and subject and so on. You can easily change your email, and by clicking on this button over here, you're able to see the preview for which it's actually what your client will see later on in their email. So whatever change you make on the left side, then you will see it directly on the right side. After you made all the changes, after adding whatever you wanted to add, if you want to add anything, you can just click on this button and just add a text, a button, a list, and so on. And over here, you also have all the links to different parts to actually call different data in OpusFlow. After you've finished creating your email, just click on a send button and your email is sent to your client.